Hi friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is koivumaa and I'm a full-time Swedish watercolor artist. So in my last video I gave you guys a challenge, and the challenge was to paint a watercolor inspired by the beautiful scenery from my winter forest walk that I took. And there's a lot of you guys that sent your versions to me, and I'm really excited to show them to all of you guys. And of course I painted my version too, and this is what it looks like. So if you're wondering how did he paint that watercolor, then you have the full tutorial on my Patreon page and many others as well. Okay guys, it's time to take a look at all the beautiful watercolors that was sent for me for the challenge. And after you're done watching the video, please leave a comment down below and write something nice to one of the people that sent in a contribution, or to all of them, because you might make someone's day. Okay guys, enjoy.
Six a.m. the sun's rising. She's been awake all night. It's either live or die. Ashtray and her lungs crying. She wants a second time. The word is out by 9. And all the guys are calling home. Excuses to the moms. They've known this game before. I'm locking windows for the dawn. Clouds so cold and van so high. When they're driving so slow, that's when you know it's been a lie. Wavy up to live with glass. Kisses with your fingers crossed. You lay it down, baby, like brand new lipstick every month. You spend your life at the lovers. Sweet nothing's all the boys. And then they freeze when you touch them. The devil speaks to the angels' voice. You spend your nights at the lovers. Sweet nothing's all your toys. And by sunrise you're all alone. You only let your neighbor lead into your bed. Your only friend, he's got you through the end. The only thing that stays the same after regret, that will be red. The world was on a piano, we'll be on the moon. Believe me when I say it's all for you, babe. It's all for you. You with your wavy up to live with glass. Kisses with your fingers crossed. You lay it down, baby, like brand new lipstick every month. You spend your life at the lovers. Sweet nothing's all the boys. And then they freeze when you touch them. The devil speaks to the angels' voice. You spend your nights at the lovers. Sweet nothing's all your toys. And by sunrise you're all alone. They've been planning this since Saturday. Friday nights are serenades. And only when she knows the pain will she feel the love. Oh, but you'll feel it, babe. With your wavy up to live with glass. Kisses with your fingers crossed. It's all for you. Just for you. 6 a.m. the sun's rising. She's been awake all night. It's either live or die. Ashtray and her lungs crying. She wants a second time. The word is out by 9. You know the guys are calling home. Excuses to the moms. They've known this game before. And locking windows for the dawn. Cars so cold and vans so high. When they're driving so slow, that's when you know it's been a lie. Waving